Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Okay, class. Because today we would like to talk about the presentation, and then in this class we would like to present from group A first. I hope the group all ready to presentation. Okay. Group A.
Okay, Miss.
The motion is, why is domestic violence a legal consent and how should the law respond?
Okay, Miss. We are from Group A. Will be given opinion. I think, Miss, domestic violence is urgent because it's violation of hak asasi manusia. Miss, banyak korban perempuan tidak bisa akses keadilan. They are silenced.
Okay, very strong point, yeah, Alvin. Yes, domestic violence is a human right violation.
For me, Miss, it's also about worker inside the home. Banyak pekerja rumah tangga yang mengalami KDRT atau eksploitasi. They have no protection.
But I see domestic violence as systemic violence. Yes, Miss. Kalau negaranya itu nggak bisa menegakkan keadilan buat UPKDRT, masyarakat itu bakal kehilangan rasa aman nantinya, Miss.
True, it's not just physical violence. Yes, ada kekerasan psikologis, seksual, juga penelantaran. There's an immediate legal response.
I want to support point. People with disabilities in families sering kena domestic violence too, tapi tidak kelihatan. Miss, how can they survive kalau akses hukum saja sulit?
Okay, good. Group A, yeah. So we have four issue from Group A: the human right, worker, systematic law enforcement, and vulnerable group. So which one in the most urgent from Group A?
Human right, Miss. Because without rights, victim cannot get justice. UU PKRDRT jelas melarang kekerasan, tapi praktiknya masih banyak kendala.
I respect that, but pekerja rumah tangga are invisible. Millions are vulnerable setiap hari.
But systemic enforcement is bigger, Miss. Kalau hukum gak ditegakkan, right and protection are useless.
Yes, but immediate is important. Korban butuh perlindungan sekarang. Restraining order, legal aid.
I think inclusion of vulnerable group like children, elderly, disabled is the most urgent. Miss, kalau ini kan merupakan hukum tidak adil.
Okay, excellent debate. Yeah, Group A. Can you make a group consensus?
Maybe say the systematic law enforcement is most urgent.
Yes, because without information, right cannot be realized.
Agree, but human rights perspective must the foundation.
Okay, and immediate victim protection is all central.
And don't forget inclusion of vulnerable groups.
Okay, very good. So Group A conclude that systematic law enforcement is the most urgent, right? But it must integrate human rights, immediate victim protection, and vulnerable group. Give applause, everyone.